We have 4 truck. Oh, this one is very lucky. This one, and how about this one? Let's see today. So we're gonna play this card with a smaller will be destroy eliminate. Okay, so let's go. So guys, okay, 1s and 2s and 3s and 4s. 1s and 2s, 3s and 4s. Okay, let's see the number 4 first. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's 3 point. So it just got 3 point. Okay, bad scores. And about how number 3 is. Oh, it's 7, a good one. So it must be the winners. And how about number 2s? Oh, it's number 4s. So it's 4s. No, number 4, it's 4s. So yeah, that's good. Oh, it's 5s, 3s, 7, 4s, and 5s. Who is the losers? It will be these. Oh, it's good. Look. Yeah, it still work.